Okay, let us take a look at this example. Example number 2. Given is 2x all over 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 minus 5 all over x squared minus 9. So the first step to do is for us to get the LCD. Okay, so una sulat natin 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. And yung isa, x squared minus 9. Okay, so ano natin? So ang gagawin natin is this is a trinomial and it is factorable. So the factor of 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is 2x minus 1 and x plus 3. Okay, ito naman 9. X squared minus 9. The factor of x squared minus 9 is x plus 3 x minus 3. Okay, notice na inalign ko siya para mas madali siyang tignan. Okay, so kunin natin. Yung una kukunin natin, ano muna yung mga common sa kanila. So, this is counted as 1, x plus 3. Then, yung hindi common, bring down lang natin. X minus 3 and 2x minus 1. So therefore, itong tatlong binomial na to, this will be our LCD. So sulat natin dito. 2x minus 1 x plus 3 and x minus 3. Okay, teka, burahin muna natin ito ha. Isang mabilis ang pagbubura. Okay, so next is, ito naman ay i-divide natin dito. Alam natin na ang factor ng 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is 2x minus 1 and x plus 3. So, pag itong tatlong binomial na to dinivide dito sa isang trinomial na to, ang matitira sa kanya is x minus 3 times 2x, it will become 2x x minus 3. Okay, sulat yung minus. Then, ito uli. Divide naman natin dito. We all know that the factor of x squared minus 9 is x plus 3x minus 3. So, pag itong tatlong binomial na to, dinivide dito sa x squared minus 9, ang matitira lamang ay 2x minus 1. Multiply to 5, that will become 5 2x minus 1. Okay, ayusin natin. Okay, so the next step is to distribute yung term. Simplify natin yung nandun sa numerator. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 3, the answer is negative 6x. Okay, next. Itong minus na to, it is also sign ng 5 na kasunod na number. So, this is also negative. Negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5 all over 2x minus 1 x plus 3 x minus 3. Okay. Simplify natin yung nandoon sa numerator. Ang pwede nating ma-combine dito is negative 6x and negative 10x. Yung isa kasi may square, so hindi siya similar. Yung isa walang variable, so hindi siya pwedeng combine. So the final answer is 2x squared. Since pareha siya negative, add the terms, it will become 16x minus plus 5 all over 2x minus 1 x plus 3 and x minus 3. So, this is the final answer for this given. Okay.